and operators.
Kulendawo kugcwele izigelekeqe ezenza ubugebengu kanezinga lokusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa liphezulu. Amaphoyisa asephuma umkhankaso wokulwisana nalesi simo.
But these people listening here, you've done nothing yet. There's no arrest. You are arresting people that are smoking tobacco.
Amaphoyisa asejujwe emgwaqeni yaseWestbury, lo mphakathi ohlalele uvalweni usubeka ithemba lawo emaphoyiseni.
These forces are going to saturate this place. You're going to walk every corner. You're going to walk every passage. You're going to knock every house. You're going to stop everybody. You're going to get every gun. You're going to find every suspect.
Kusolakala ukuthi lolu dlame lisungulwa yimpe phakathi kwamaqembu ezigelekeqe iFast Guns kanye neVarados. Kodwa umphakathi uthi ufuna kube nokuthula kulendawo lehle nezinga lokubulawa kwabantu.
The challenge that we have is it shouldn't be for a short spate of time. For example, now this is for 3 months. It's been happening here, like you say, for many years and stuff like that. And we don't have more police community visibility in the community and stuff like that.
Abafundi besikole samabanga aphezulu kulendawo bayesaba ukuya esikoleni manje njengoba bengase bezithole besobishini lwempi yamaqembu ezigelekeqe eqhubekayo.
I can agree with the community that all of us are scared. Even I am scared. Every day waking up is like, oh my God, am I going to wake up and be shot when I leave the gate? What if today is the last day I see my mother? It's not what an ideal teenager should be thinking about.
Iziphathimandla zithi zizosebenzisa zonke izinsiza ezinazo ukulwisana nezigelekeqe kulendawo.